Hi friends, this is Mrs. Flores. Today I put together a presentation for you about what we have been learning in class. We have been learning to decompose and compose numbers. We are going to learn 5 things in today's math lesson. Number 5, you will learn how to decompose and compose numbers within 10. Number 2, you will study diamond cards and find different ways to decompose and compose a number that you see on the diamond playing card. Number 3, you will have in-class discussion and we will be answering some questions. Number 4, we will look at more diamond cards and analyze them and look to see, let me look at this number. What groups can I put together to make this number and how can I break up the number? Okay, so that we can decompose and compose that number. Number 5, we will review our class assignment. Your mission, friends, you will learn how to decompose and compose numbers within 10. You will also be able to explain your reasoning. So we have to understand why why that number decomposes and composes. Okay, friends? Here are some key point questions. First question, what is decomposing and composing numbers? Friends, I put together a video. I attached a video on here. If you just click here, it'll take you to a very fun video that will help you answer that question in case you need to go over that.
Earn an associate's degree, RN to BSN degree, master's degree, doctoral.
Hi, everybody! Today, I'm going to talk to you about numbers and composing and decomposing numbers.
Now, this video is 4 minutes and 48 seconds long. Don't forget, friends.
I really like apples.
You can always maximize it, make it bigger. Just
is a
touch
large
that right
word.
bottom square.
And it's what happens when little
and you
numbers...
can always watch it. It'll be on our presentation. Second question, what are addition and subtraction equations? Once again, you can click on the words, click here after that question. It'll take you to
4 minus 2.
Video that will addition and subtraction. Mr. Jack Hartman, he's our nice friend in kinder who loves to sing a lot
when you
about
add, you put
math.
together. When you add, you get the sum. It's taking 2 or...
Okay, friends, that video is available there. And it's a third question, how to show numbers in different ways. Once again, click on the wording. Click here. There's our friend Jack Hartman. This video is 3 minutes and 43 seconds long, and he'll show you different ways that you can represent a number.
Numbers, numbers, every place. I can show numbers.
And the last question, what are number bonds? Now, we went over this a few weeks ago. Let's click here to refresh our memory. And this video is 3 minutes long. You can watch this to help you with that question, friends.
Number bonds, that make 10.
Okay, I'm not going to play the whole video, but that video is there available for you in our presentation. Okay, friends? And then I also included 3 very important math songs. Number 1, addition song. Number 2, the subtraction song. And number 3, the 10 frame song. Once again, friends, I went ahead and attached a video to the song wording. So make sure you click on the addition song wording and it'll take you to this 2 minute and 56 second
I got
video.
a new dog and I named her Addition. She loves to eat food, so she lives in the kitchen. She takes all the food.
Same thing for the subtraction song. Just click on subtraction song and it'll take you to a 4 minute and 8 second video. Super
The
cute
candles
song.
and counted again. One candle was gone, but remained was just smaller today.
I'm just gonna fast forward, friends.
Subtraction, minus, A. What you gonna make? Smaller today.
Okay, you can always watch that video there. And then number 3, the 10 frame song. This one is 5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Last Monday in my classroom, we played a cool game. 4 or 5 on the bottom. Last Thursday in my classroom, we played a cool new game. And now I'll show you what we did on our cool 10th grade. My teacher put on counters, red counters we could count. She challenged just too counting on to count the right amount. She turned the tens way backwards so none of us could see. She told us that she'd added 4. How many could there be? Counters on my 10th grade cool. Now won't you help me count them? 1 row, that's a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, space. 1 row, that's a 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9.
Okay, friends, that video will be there for you. And that's basically it for the presentation, friends. You can show your brothers if you want to help your younger brothers and sisters learn math and how do we decompose and compose numbers. You can show them these very fun videos. Show your parents, your grandparents, babysitters. Okay, friends, show them what we're learning in class. Thank you, friends. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and then I'll see you in class for today's math lesson. Bye, friends.